Now to the latest in the Flint water crisis. We've just learned Attorney General Bill Schuette will be making some sort of announcement tomorrow afternoon in the Flint water investigation. In the meantime, the first of dozens of lawsuits filed in the Flint water crisis is dead, at least for now. This could all affect all the cases filed in federal court. 7 investigator Jim Kirchner downtown with the story.
This case was tossed out by a federal judge because he says the federal laws that protect people from unsafe drinking water also prevents them from suing. Judge John Corbett O'Mara also says they can file their claims in state court. And get this, just this one case, $150 million for people, their property, and their future safety.
I actually think that number's low because I think the cost to replace the infrastructure that's been poisoned, the infrastructure in people's houses and the service lines coming from the city's delivery system into the homes and the plumbing within the homes as well as appliances is far greater than that number.
The lawsuit was filed on the grounds that Flint people were paying for water that was unsafe to drink and still is, a breach of contract. The switch to using Flint River water off of the Detroit water system happened back in April of 2014 to save money. The decisions were made by the Flint emergency manager, appointed by Governor Rick Snyder, as well as the governor himself. But in Michigan law, there is governmental immunity unless gross negligence can be proven. Will those be factors if these cases go to state court?
To the extent that you need a gross negligence standard, new and acted with reckless disregard for the consequences, you don't think these facts support that standard? I do.
More than 50 cases have been filed in federal court. This ruling today could toss all of them out, meaning they could appeal or they could be filed in state courts. This is just round one. In downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.